So it is December 2nd, 2021, and I'm about to mix moi homemade strawberry soy milk with the freeze dried strawberries I had pulverized in the coffee grinder instead of getting already pre ground, because otherwise I would have had to wait 3 days for it to arrive in the mail, probably. So, there we go. Oh, just lost the cap. Oh, well. There we go. So it's like added the carrageenan in this time for the strawberry variety soy milk. Whereas, when you buy at the Asian market, it's already with the carrageenan, chances are. The strawberry variety you may find there, whereas at the grocery store, I don't think you want. Chances are you can't find strawberry soy milk at the grocery store.
Louis, excuse me, honey.
Maybe one day, just like chocolate soy milk, at one time, it was at the Asian market before it was at the grocery store. A long time ago, before I started making homemade soy milk, and I had only for the first time, I think it was an accident that I purchased freeze-dried strawberries, or someone gave me a package, or that was all that we had in the house that, was a fruit at the time at one point. And I didn't know exactly, other than maybe figuring you could probably put those in oatmeal or cereal or something, usually, or on top of salads. You can find them in the produce department, usually. Sometimes where the nuts are sold, the aisle where the nuts are sold. But now I put them to more strawberry soy milk.
I can't hear you. What? I'll wait till you're done.
Works well with soy. I sweeten it with organic vegan cane sugar and thicken it with the carrageenan. Oh, that's good.
Hi, Louis.
Shh. I'm going to after I stir it. Don't stop. Just diluted it a little bit more with the water. Make sure it's evenly mixed. The carrageenan. Looks beautiful. Looks good. Taste. It's pretty good. There's a little bit of a delay, but it's there. It's good. I like it, yeah.
Carol, how about the video you shop for yourself?
The carrageenan does a good job too with that. It makes it a little frothy. You can use more water. What?
So how about the new year you go shopping for yourself sometimes?
I'm really interested in that right now.
What are you interested in?
Can you get me the receipt so I know how much the strawberries cost?
They were $1.50 for one package.
$1.50 for one.
$1.09 for the other.
Oh, that's not bad. You can just get the $1.09 one, probably, depending on which variety I do find. Maybe one is more rich than the other. This one's okay, the one I'm using.
This has a big package.
This was the black one, I believe, or...
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't remember what color it was or anything.
Well, I'll show you which one it was. Yeah, I'll get the one that, I like the most. I'll just, or whatever. It's interchangeable, like the one, like today. It's fine, even. It's fine. It's good. Do it this method. Do they have a lot of them in stock?
I didn't count them. I don't know. I wasn't paying attention how many they had. package has 8 of them in a bag.
Oh yeah. Oh, it comes in a larger bag.
One bag.
Are they the same sized bags as those?
Yeah,
Just
but
larger bag.
They're individual bags in
Yeah.
one big bag.
Yeah, but the individual bags are the same size as the ones that you bought, right?
I don't know.
Okay. Anyways,
I'm assuming they are.
maybe they're serving size.
I'm gonna check.
Yeah. If you want me to make you a cup later of
No, thank
strawberry
you.
soy milk, I'll do it for you.
No, thank you. Hey.
That's really good.
I toasted it lightly.
Whoopee. Yeah, and now what?
Do you want cream cheese or mayonnaise and cheese or what do you want?
That's okay.
Tomato or we have this cheese or we have cream cheese.
What's this cheese?
You want mayonnaise?